Hello everyone in South Africa. So today I'm sitting with the big bosses of Lexcru, Lexcru brand. So this is Sriyanj and
Hello,
tell them your name.
my name is
Chirag.
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 Yeah.
Okay. So these are the pumps that we're going to focus on in South Africa, right? Now we're starting from the eco range. Um, Sriyanj, you can tell us about the pumps.
Okay. Lexcru is the largest manufacturer of India when it comes to pumps. We are the second largest pump manufacturing company in the world when we talk about RO booster pumps. Currently, we manufacture around these many ranges. I think Terence has already spoken about. Okay, the first pump is Eco Pump. So we are just talking about the 100 GPD models right now. We also have 75 GPD, 50 GPD pumps. Okay, but I am going to start with the 100 GPD Eco Pump. 100 GPD Eco Pump is designed in such a way the 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 components are plastic over here. They are plastic. The armature is 25 to 28 mm. Okay, this is the smallest and the cheapest form of pump. The life which we claim of the pump is around 2 years, but we in India we give a guarantee of almost 1 year for this pump from the day you use the pump. Okay, the pump has the most important part of the whole pump series is our pumps claims to have lowest amount of energy used. So when we talk about the amperes, the pump will have very low amperes. It will be always below 1 ampere, always below 1 ampere. Secondly, the most important thing is it has no sound. It is soundproof. Okay, so the sound, because the RPM and the design is such a way. Okay, especially when we grow from this to this pump. Okay, this is the most basic pump which I've explained you, which is only 28 mm of armature. Okay, this is used for basic model when the people who are more price conscious. Okay, now we talk about this pump. So this pump has plastic base. Okay, now the rest models has different base. This one has a metal base with a extra long butches. Okay, now when I talk about this pump, this is the most sold pump of Lexcru at the moment. Lexcru. This is a 100 GBD pump of a 30 mm armature which is there in this. This is 100% pure copper armature. Okay. Now the design, and there is a myth that people think that only armature size decides the competence of the pump. No, the design of the NRVs, the design of the accentries, the smallest of the components which is there in the head portion, which are here, those decides the quality of the pump. So I can tell you two similar pumps with same specs can put together. Okay, but one will perform better, the other one will not perform better. That's how our pump have are designed. We are awarded by if anybody know Water Digest Award 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 6 times we have won the award. Okay, it was supported by UNESCO and SOCHM. Okay, for the pumps, for the best manufacturing in the pump segment. Okay, almost every big company in India buys our pumps. All the OEM. We export to 35 countries. These pumps, 35 countries we export. Okay, this pump has a PSI of 90 PSI working. 125 PSI is the bypass pressure. So very good mechanism which all the pump has. So I just want to show you. So the pump, all the pump has a very good mechanism which says if the membranes get choked up.
Yeah.
Okay, then what happens? The pressure goes back to the pump.
Yes.
Now, if pump is eventually rotating, the pressure of the pump will increase.
Yes.
Okay. Now, membrane is choked, so membrane is also giving pressure. Input water is also giving pressure. So sometimes there is leakage problem coming from the pumps. But our pumps, all the pumps have bypass mechanism where superb springs are there to absorb that pressure. So our pumps will have never, I can guarantee out of 1,000 pumps, not even a single pump will have a leakage problem. Okay, so this is the second model which is there, which I've explained you. The life, because it's a copper, I would say that people try to use it for 2 years, 2.5 years. Sometimes in India, 3 years also people don't. There is nothing which is going to happen. But in for this also we claim to give 1 year of warranty for this pump. Now I talk about, these are high pressure pumps. Now these were medium pressure pumps. Now we talk about the high pressure pumps. This is Elite, Lexcru Elite is the third model, which is a high pressure pump. Okay, this is used where the TDS are about 2000 TDS. Okay,
2000 TDS.
2000 TDS.
What
Okay.
TDS can those ones?
No,
have?
this will also work in 2000 TDS, but this will give you more efficient pressure.
Okay.
This will give you more efficient pressure because membrane requires a certain amount of pressure.
Okay.
And these days where people want flow, everybody wants flow. Okay, I need a lot of flow out of the membrane. When you want a lot of flow out of the membrane, the pump has to have a pressure. Okay, now there are two things. If the pressure of the pump is high, sometimes sound comes. Okay, because the motor is running fast, sound on. So the beauty of the product is the sound has been controlled by this. So
All of them?
Yeah,
Yes.
every pump has sound below 30 dB.
Okay.
Below 30 decibel is the sound which we claim, which is what we make. Now, because the pressure is high, there are chances of leakage. That is what is again the beauty is. The eccentric inside has angles, okay, and those angles are like, you can say, if it goes by 0.1% plus or minus, the degree differs. So that is the precision we have. I think Terence, you saw the video of the manufacturing, you have been to the factory. I would want you to see the precision with which we make these pumps. Okay, there are many people who make pumps, and I will never deny that they are good or bad. I don't want to say that, but I am very sure that the precisions of the inner engineering which we have will make this pump at high pressure also more reliable, consistent, and long life.
So the pressure on that one is 90 psi.
Yeah.
Right? Working pressure.
Yeah.
This one is working pressure, also 90 psi.
Yeah. Okay. I'll explain you. These are the current centimeters which are specification which we have to write for everybody.
Okay.
Okay. But 100 psi nothing happens. 120 psi nothing happens. Okay. The bypass of this pump, okay, is 150 psi.
Okay.
Okay. So this is maximum pressure of the pump. Okay. Bypass of this pump is 120 psi. Max pressure is 120.
Okay.
That's how you calculate the pressure of the pump. Okay. Now these were the models for low pressure. So this was for price.
models.
This was a price. This is a regular model. This was for high pressure. But now comes the most reliable product. The reliable product means in India we give 2 years of warranty for these pumps. Okay. So if a company gives a warranty of 2 years, we believe that the life of the pump is like 3 years, 4 years. Okay. Now the design is quite different. This has 8 screw. This has 6 screw.
Okay.
Okay, so design in such a
Just
way.
before we move forward, right? What is this triangle here for?
Okay, this is for bypass. So there is a spring here
For bypass.
for to.
So this one doesn't have bypass.
No, this has a bypass. This has inner bypass.
Inner bypass,
This has three inner bypass. 1, 2, 3 springs. And when it is like this single, it has only one spring. So these are thin springs. This is a strong spring. Makes no difference. Okay, but the reason of the design is, see, I just want to explain you this. This has lower. This is lower.
Yeah.
This is in the center.
Okay.
So there is some design gimmicks in this particular model where we believe that this pump in India, people say this is magic. To be very frank, this is magic. Everybody uses this pump. And I told you, every pump has written India's largest pump manufacturer. It is very clearly written on the pump. And we claim it because we got it. Okay. Every pump has on the right side a product from the house of India's largest pump manufacturer. Every pump has it.
Okay.
Okay.
And we can proudly say that all of our pump range has been accepted by all the countries which we currently supply.
So I just want to tell you this about the models. There are few models. Even multinational companies buy from us. We have a NDA with them, so I cannot tell you the names, but they buy it from us. Okay, about the pump, about this pump. So this pump has both. It has high pressure and it has durability.
Okay.
So it has high pressure, durability, and the durability is the reason the name is durable. Okay. Now the thing is, the design here is quite different. You cannot fit any head in this. In this, you can fit any head. Like I want to show it. Can I have a head from the? Yeah. So this is like a head from the market. You just can fit it on. So when I was talking to you about eccentric, and this is the eccentric die. See, can you see the angular? This is the angle. It's not flat. It's not flat. You cannot see on the video, I guess. But Terence, can you see? It's not flat. It is some angle upstairs.
Yes, yes.
That is the design of the pump. Okay. When you see like this, it's not a circle.
Is this a head from your company?
Yeah, this is the head from my company.
also
This is the head from my
Is
company.
it for that pump?
Yeah, no, this is for every pump.
This
can
is a
use
common
it,
head which
you can use in
use
one,
in
two, three,
replacement.
all of them.
Yeah, okay.
When there is some issue with the head, okay, because if the carbon goes inside, the head gets leakage. If there's some issue with the pump head because of the carbon, it only happens when the carbon goes
Gets
inside.
in,
Yeah,
okay.
okay. Now the thing is, this design, this pump head cannot fit. This is the design we have created, and we believe that everything. This is like regular Taiwan, China. Everybody designs this kind of model, but this is the one which we have designed, and we believe that this can be the future of the pumps.
Okay.
Okay, this has both low ampere, high pressure. Okay, and lowest sound for sure.
Lower sound in that one.
Yeah, this is lowest sound for
Comparatively.
sure.
So why will a person pay
High price for this.
like 20% more
Okay, for the durability.
durability? Okay.
Yeah, so if I have to, for 1 year, if I have to buy this, let's say this is whatever dollar it is,
Yeah.
you don't want to pay, it's like double the price. You're getting my point.
Okay, so
That's the only reason.
Okay, so you're paying like 20% more and you're getting a more durable.
Yeah, more durable. Yeah. That's
Okay. All right. And then obviously the same applies to these models.
Yeah, these are
These
the
are the ranges
150 GPD, 300 GPD. These models also have other ranges like 50 GPD, 75 GPD, and then there
So-
is 150 GPD as well.
So what I want to know is these heads, are they also available?
Yes, they are available. We do supply them.
Okay.
Yeah, we do.
But you probably never have to.
Yeah, we don't
Yeah.
have to. We don't,
We don't
want
think
to.
so, we
We don't
should.
want to. We don't wish to.
How many years have this model been in the market? Let's say this model. Because I think for South Africa we're going to focus on these two models, right?
Yeah.
We are gonna
You'll
focus
agree
on
with
this.
me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
So we'll agree on the normal model, the standard one,
Yes.
and this one.
I would tell you this was introduced in 2014. Okay, so
So
it's been
parts are still
8
available.
Huh? Everything is available.
Parts will still be available.
Everything will be available. Okay.
And this
This
one?
was introduced in 2017.
Okay.
Okay, so everything will be available for this as well. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
And these all are I can say
So
internationally available.
now, Terence, I want to tell you one more thing.
Yes.
The most important part: why Lexcru? Why Lexcru Pump?
Yes. Tell us.
Everything, the wires are made in Lexcru. This clamp is made in Lexcru. This smallest of this is made in Lexcru.
So it's not make in India, it's made in
Made in Lexcru, yeah. Everything. So we have metal casting, we have plastic molding, we have armature winding. The armature made is also in our factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it on that video?
Yes, on the video.
So
Yeah.
so also your machines are not. Your machinery is also all German machines.
Yeah, it is all Ferromatic Milacon. Milacon is
Milacon.
You can search on Google. It's Milacon. Everything is Milacon. We have got 18 machines of Milacon for small size and 62 machines total of Milacons
Okay.
for bigger size. Okay, small size means small buttons inside are also made in India. So I just want to like this is also made. So only parts which we import are the bearings. Okay, and there are magnets inside. That's it. Otherwise, everything is.
Where does that
in-house.
come from?
It comes from Korea, it comes from China, both the countries.
Okay.
Biggest manufacturers are in both these countries.
Okay.
And when you have such a small products are in house, when all these products are in house, you can say that this quality will be there.
Quality can be controlled. See, I just want to
Yes.
give you the smallest idea. This is metal, okay? This casting is done in the factory. Oh, there is a process. Can you feel it? Just touch it. Okay, there is another process over here. You touch this. Both the processes are done in the factory.
Yeah.
So these kind of things we tend to so when we talk about the quantity, we say that more than 300,000 pumps per month we manufacture. More than that.
So
per
it
month.
means what it means is it's not only quality, it is about supply as well. So Lexcru has the capacity to supply products to this world, to complete the supply chain, to fulfill the needs of all the customers at a time.
That's
It
all.
has that capacity.
Okay, so that's it.
Thank you so
Anything
much.
else you want to add?
No, I don't want.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So we can say one thing: go for it. This is the best product
And-
you will find in the
And
market.
Terence is even better.
Yeah, he's the best.
So the models we're going to focus on is actually three models here.
Yeah.
So number one is going to be